When will Coinbase launch its NFT marketplace? The Coinbase NFT marketplace has now been released as a beta, as of April 20, 2022. A select number of individuals on the waitlist will have the chance to store and trade their NFTs on Coinbase, ahead of a wider rollout later this year. Coinbase has yet to confirm the full release date for its NFT marketplace to more users. However, it does look set to be live by June 2022. Prospective NFT holders can still register on the NFT waitlist, too. Coinbase said that its NFT marketplace called Coinbase NFT will comprise social features and will propagate the concept of creator economy, a term used to describe people who earn money by posting online content. It also states that the marketplace will first support Ethereum-based ERC-721 and ERC-1155 tokens, before moving to multi-chain support. The Verge and TechCrunch both report that Coinbase will launch its NFT marketplace later this year. Meanwhile, Fortune said in October that the marketplace will launch within the next quarter or two. Now the exchange has officially announced a new date stating that its NFT marketplace will launch in June 2022, along with the Bake Movie trilogy at NFT NYC. NFTs have become a popular investment option for investors, enabling them to own digital collectibles exclusively. NFTs are impossible to replicate, allowing investors to own one-of-a-kind digital collectibles that cannot be duplicated or forged. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Until my next video, stay safe, do your own research, and happy investing.